Welcome to VettyDrive OS. In this walkthrough, I will show you how the operator dashboard is organized so the screen feels manageable from day one. Think of the dashboard in 6 areas. Overview for the big picture, rentals for active trips, fleet for vehicles and availability, growth for websites and request channels, records for evidence, and account for settings and billing. Start on the overview page. This page is not where every task happens. It is where an operator gets a quick read on performance, open work, fleet status, and what needs attention today. The left navigation is the map. Rentals is where requests become trips and where staff check readiness. Fleet is where vehicles, documents, imports, and calendar availability live. Growth is where the operator manages website access, public request channels, widgets, QR links, SMS, and WhatsApp sharing. Records is where evidence packets and completed workflow history are reviewed. Account pages cover settings, team access, billing, and the help center. If the dashboard feels busy, come back to the navigation and ask one question. Am I working on a rental, a vehicle, a website, a record, or an account setting? That is the dashboard rhythm. Use Overview for direction, then open the section that matches the job.